No, unfortunately, the response today, and I must say this again, the response today, Mr. Avirup Sarkar from Ms. Mamata Banerjee, who also holds the health portfolio, has been completely political. I mean, her response is as if
That's
she's...
exactly my point.
No, 1 minute.
But-
Her response is,
But
she says there has
you
been a
see,
politicization of health
Meenakshi
services.
is-
So there is a politicization of health
Meenakshi is
services.
absolutely right.
So you can't,
You see,
you can't
Meenakshi
blame
is
everything on politics. The election is over.
Let me answer to that. Let me answer to that. Meenakshi is absolutely right in saying that it's the attendants, the nurses who are responsible for this. But these nurses, some of them are not trained properly, and all of them were got
So
their
blame it on the
employment
left.
during the left front
No,
rule.
this blame it on the left.
People just
I'm
got jobs
so
because they were close to the party.
I'm
I
bringing a
didn't
different
want to
point.
go
Okay.
into this, but so these are incompetent people,
No,
and
but so
they should be taken to
everything-
task.
No, so
they
I'm
were not
saying
hired by
something
Mamata Banerjee.
Oh, so
you have to realize that.
Okay, so everything.
This whole
No,
host
but
of
what is Mamata
inefficient
Banerjee
people, they were
doing about
hired
it?
by the-
How is she dealing with the situation? What's her plan of action to deal with such exigency? That's my question.
Madam, to deal with such emergencies, you need infrastructure, and it cannot be built in a day.
No, no,
See,
1 minute.
Like I said,
Mr.
these are
Sarkar.
exceptional
all you
cases.
need
Mr.
is
Sarkar,
implementation
if
of what
someone uses
infrastructure is
carbolic
available
acid
to you.
instead
Mr.
of Dettol.
Mr. Sarkar, I'm sorry, but you have to, at one point, even Mamata Banerjee will have to get out of this blame everything on the left mode. Anything happens, blame it on the
Okay.
left. Let me today if you say that there has been a politicization of health services encouraged during 34 years of left rule, tomorrow if there's a traffic accident, you will say the roads are bad because of 34 years of left rule.
Only 5.5 months. You can't, in 5.
Where is the sensitivity, sir?
Plan of action.
Is there a dearth of medical professionals in
I will give you one
Kolkata?
example. I will give you one example. During the left front rule, before Mamata Banerjee came to power, there was an incident where there was an accident and this person was not admitted to a private hospital. There were, this hospital was attacked by the mob and so on. But so you could talk about legal, moral responsibilities, but these things do not happen.
But Mr. Sarkar,
and they didn't happen during the left front rule either.
Mr. Sarkar,
you cannot change these things overnight.
No, Mr. Sarkar, my only point to you tonight is a very limited point. There is a problem of rural health infrastructure in several parts of this country. Why has Bengal come to light? Because so many children don't die in such a pathetic way, in such a serial manner, as has been reported out of Bengal. Now, I am going to go to Dr. That's the only point. I am sure across...
Okay, I will respond to your point. This is not the point by which you judge the state of Bengal's health. You have to look at the average. You have to look at the infant mortality rate, which is a more scientific way of looking
Dr.
at
Shetty,
things. You just don't pick up one exception and come to a conclusion on the basis of that. You don't
pictures,
do that. You have to look at the average.
Mr.
And the average for
Sarkar,
Bengal is not too bad.
Mr. Sarkar, I can assure you that across Bengal, from Bardwan to Midnapur, to Kolkata, from BC Roy to 24 Pargana, our reporters and cameras have gone, and I can only tell you this, Mr. Sarkar, if you were to see some of the pictures that our reporters and camera person have brought back, it is not right.
No.
It is not right. It is not ethically right to have anyone, even the poorest of our youngest, born in those circumstances. These are newborn. They are lying on the floor. They have animals and garbage around them. They are 1 day old, sir.
But you have to compare it with other states.
It's not statistics.
Are you saying that things
that
are
doesn't make
better
it
in other
right,
states?
That doesn't make it right.
You see, national, it is not right. I am not saying that it's right. But the thing is that you have to compare, you have to be pragmatic. You have to compare Bengal with other, comparable states. And if you look at the national health profile or any standard, data, you will find that health-wise West Bengal is not doing all that bad.
My question is, Dr. Devi Shetty, Dr. Devi Shetty began his career in Kolkata. He has served for more than a decade in Kolkata.
I was his patient, actually.
You were his patient, great. My question tonight is this. My question tonight is to Dr. Shetty. Dr. Shetty, tell me, is there a dearth of medical professionals in Kolkata? is there a dearth of medical professionals in COVID? Because somewhere it has got to come down to voluntary service. Yes, we need a long-term response. But again, I'd ask you, sir, is it possible for doctors to come together in a voluntary spirit to tide over this, the kind of reports we've seen of late?
It is possible. First of all, there is a serious shortage of doctors across the country, and there is a serious shortage of doctors mainly in the northeastern region, and even serious shortage in the rural India. So there is a serious problem. But what has happened in southern region, these babies, good number of them are born in private hospitals as well as the government hospitals. Government is not the sole healthcare provider.
That's so right.
There are many schemes which have been launched in southern parts of the country, where there is a large amount of public-private participation, wherein government subsidizes and sponsors the childbirth to happen in private nursing homes, and they pay the gynecologist directly for conducting the delivery. So the load on the government hospital.
Yes. I think that's just in the yes.
Participation. Going forward, it will be very difficult for the government to retain all the doctors, because there will be aspirations. There is already a shortage. We are short of nearly 7 to 10 lakh doctors. So government can never compete with the private sector to pay these doctors the kind of salary what private sector can pay. So essentially, we all have to understand that there is a crisis in healthcare across the country, and right now it is sad that only one state is analyzed with threadbare detail. But if you do the same study, other eastern region and northeastern region, you will find that situation is not terribly different than what it is happening in West Bengal.
I think
that the fundamental problem of healthcare in India is we are running a MBBS doctor-centric healthcare.
yes.
MBBS doctors don't want to go to village. We do not empower the nurse practitioners to work in those villages unless the policy changes where nurses are dispense medicines and work like nurse practitioners in rural, taluka level and district level hospitals. You are not going to see a better picture. I can tell you that.
Well, Dr. Shetty, I think I think what Mamta Banerjee needs to do is that she needs to replicate the model that has been put up in the south. Yes, Meenakshi, last word to you, Meenakshi, tonight. Yes, Meenakshi.
Yes, Arnab, the whole thing is being confused. When we are talking of health sector, the health sector is completely different. We are talking of some very basic when it comes to delivery and pregnancy. Pregnancy is something which happens naturally, and people deliver even without assistance, and that's where the complications happen. So all you need is a very good diet, some kind of basic training, and you need paramedics. You don't need fully trained MBBS doctors to practice that kind of medicine. That's one. Secondly, the mobile vans, mobile ambulances, etc., which have been started in Gujarat, are replicated in Uttaranchal. There are some very, very fine models which need to be replicated across the country. You don't need very heavy investment even in that. Plus, Rural Health Mission already has blocked a huge chunk of money. I don't know where that money is going and on whom this money is being splurged. So what Dr. Shetty is trying to say is talking of medical health structure generally across the country. What I'm trying to emphasize that maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate need some very, very basic steps to deal with.
I agree with you. I think so, Meenakshi. I appreciate your coming tonight. But one point at the very end, this whole response, A, blame the left, and B, sacks people. Mamta, from the person at the top of the medical fraternity down to the nurse, she sacked people. Mamta Banerjee's first response is sacking people, but sacking people can't be her first and her last response. We continue to ask, where is the emergency response this story deserves? Thank you so much for joining me on this News Hour First Debate tonight.